So, Sunil, where were you kind of before you came to Revitalize? Give us a run through.
So I'd hurt my toe very badly indeed, my second toe on my right foot, to the extent where I had to limp badly. I was so concerned about it, I feared I might have to walk with a stick. I mean, honestly, you don't realise, the fear of God comes into your head when you've got a very painful toe injury. You don't know it's going to get better, because to be honest, I've been to my GP and nothing was happening through the NHS for months, and I lived with the pain until I saw your clinic, made an appointment, and took it from there really.
Perfect. And so kind of how was it you felt during the sessions? What was it kind of you felt we did that helped you improve?
So the first thing is, when you examined me the first time, you gave me genuine hope that this was going to repair fully, because I really had started to disbelieve that in my own mind. I thought I was left with a lifelong injury, and that made a big difference psychologically to me. I went away from that first session feeling a lot better mentally. But of course, then you gave me a whole series of exercises to do. I think I've had about 5 appointments. In between those appointments, I've been doing specific exercises, different ones after each appointment, in accordance with what you've advised me to do. I've followed those out fairly faithfully, and as a consequence, there's been a marked improvement between each appointment until we come to the stage we're at now.
Yeah, and so kind of expand on that. Where would you say you are now? What is it you're able to do? What are the things you've kind of been able to return to?
Well, there's nothing I can't now do with my feet. So probably say I'm on my way to the gym. So some time ago I resumed going to the gym. I do more and more in the gym now. I've even started skipping, and there's actually nothing I don't do. I know that toe is within a week, 2 weeks of 100% recovery, in the sense that I won't be able to feel it at all, because now I've got to a stage where it's even improving even if I do nothing with it. So for the first 4 sessions or so, I had to actively work on with the exercises you gave me to get a marked improvement. Now it's right near that last bit of improvement. The effluxion of time will sort that. In a week, 2 weeks, I won't even feel that toe. I appreciate I'll have to be slightly careful with it for the next few weeks or even a couple of months, but that is a 100% recovery, I have no doubt whatsoever.
Perfect. And then what would you tell anyone else that's kind of in a similar position, in similar pain or discomfort, or unable to do kind of something that they want to do, kind of that were in a similar position to yourself prior to coming to see us?
Well, anyone in a similar position to myself, since I've come here and found it worked, I would say come along here, come and see Arwel and get him to have a look at whatever the issue is, and you may be gloom and doom in your mind. You may find that actually it's temporary, it can be fixed, it will be fixed. Perfect. I'm really pleased, Arwel. Thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you very much.